Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
They do you to the very useless, including their Oba. Obluna, useless, they do you. Do you see any of them again? MC Edo Breakin, Casino, Madiba, all of them. They have used Edo, P2B to make money. Where are they? All of them.
People perish because of their lack of knowledge. You say Edo youth is useless. Even their Oba self is also useless. See, why you they fight people when they fight you? Sometimes the reason why we they fail for life now because of say we know they ask God question. We feel say we go fit do everything ourselves. This Biafra fight will make you insult all the youth of Edo State, just like the way Buhari insult the youth there, call us lazy youth. See, if God say go come to pass, it go come to pass. If he say no go come to pass, it no go come to pass. For you to even open your mouth insult Oba, that show how useless you are. Real men know they go abroad, they fight for their father's land. They go there for you and fight the fight. You there for abroad, they rant your mouth. See, now we those people waiting for Edo comedians. Now they be the real hero waiting for this country. Fight the battle of Peter Obi. No matter say the force when they lead this country, take over the power from them. Now they be the real men when fight the battle. Then they go abroad like water. Where you did, they work 8 hours work. They are here fighting the fight, feeding themselves, even building us, ride expensive cars. Also, I not be a Edo boy, but I possess the land. I be one of the Nigeria youths where me wear for the youth and for that generation. Yes, go ask question. Ask go my name, he go tell you. Their own Mazin Kanu, every blessed day, we bloggers they think say how we go take fight this fight, take fight this battle. But first, make power leave these old takers, these demonic people first. Now you there for our body rant your mouth. Come back to Nigeria and fight for your father's land. Yes, leave Edo people. Normally, Biafra people also get their own Facebook, TikTok. Let them be blogging it. Make them know that will support them. Say we are making money from Facebook and doing this one for 2 Peter Obi. Keep quiet. Before Obi come for here 3 months ago, some don't they buy cars, build as they go abroad. Keep quiet. If it's easy, open your Facebook page and fight the battle yourself. Leave Edo youth alone. If you insult the Oba, see, they say if you are not spiritual, at least spiritual things. No matter how Mazinadi can fight this battle, this man for DSS office now, they patch you a lot for your life. Even the blogger they talk say very soon they will start the battle, how they go take George traffic when they release this man. Now you are just there ranting your mouth. See, now on our mouth will slaughter on our mouth. That is your mouth. You are too small. You see the reason why this country not gonna move forward. The reason why sometimes it be like say God separate himself from Nigeria. We don't like ourselves. Yes, even Bible talks say if they can unite together, it go heal the land. But Nigeria today, every blessed day, brothers they fight brothers, blood share everywhere for is not blood share. In the name of power. See, Nigeria go better, not before our time. Get this mindset. If Biafra go come, it's my prayer point. That's the reason why sometimes I blog Mazin and the Kanu video. Check my page. I get 5 Facebook page. Check them. Sometimes I sing good song for the man with sense. Because these people, demonic people, they find who they want to throw inside prison. Even Mazin and the Kanu when they arrest. Now, if you say the man they happy, the man they patch you a lot because that man a man of love. Even when they even released a few days ago, Buhari see order arrest again. reason and think about your life. No dey for abroad dey rant your mouth. No cause problem. Don't let Edo people see you as enemy. They don't dey fight you. Even cause the king of the land. That one be say you don't insult yourself and your destiny. Yes, because the king no fight you, but you dey fight am.
Edo you to the very useless, including their Oba. Where is wounded civilian? Nne commit suicide. And then once a Ipòb make his statements now, if the whole Edo bloggers are mapped again, will you go? Or when you also just use it to make money, and they think they support you. They don't support you. They hate you. They hate you badly with passion. That's why I'm funding a GM investment in Edo State. And I did not invest in Yoruba land. I invest in Edo State. You one no ye lele go ten kita onye le kita go ten we entuku kanona bia irapo ali Igbo mewe investment ifule Enugu Anambra Ebonyi Abia we make your investment iwe yile to go oto obulu na useless Edo youth, the stupid Edo youth, the uncircumcised Edo youth. If they love Ipòb, the same way they now come out and use Ipòb to make money for their YouTube and build their pages, they could have started a protest. But because the useless Edo youth, they are useless. Do you see any of them again? MC Edo Breakin, Casino, Madiba, all of them, they have used Edo Ipòb to make money. Where are they? All of them. Today, whose properties are they threatening? Ndi Igbo. Ipòb is the cause of the reason, the cause is threatening Ndi Igbo n'ebe niile today, because Ndi Igbo is on the verge of having their freedom before Ipòb was contacted. Ngunu that Ipòb is playing the role of Nnamdi Azikiwe. Today, where is the obedience now? Obedient movement. Do you see any of them on the street? Even now, not will ever ask for 0 vote. How many northern people have come out to condemn the election? Before now, and one idiot or singing a Fulani man or the problem we are the whole north is supporting Ipòb. When the election comes, you didn't see any of them again. The channel have been deleted. All the channels that they use to promote Ipòb, they have deleted all of them. The ones they leave now is useless Edo YouTubers. Because those ones are the ones they use. How many of them are making waves? Ndi Igbo, until I realize that I man what we want and stand on it. We can say picture, ordinary picture, kitty cause with Ipòb, Edo bloggers. Hey, we can have endorsed Ipòb. Do you know that Ipòb failed lose the election in Rivers State? Ipòb lose the election in Akwa Ibom State, Abi Calabar. Ebe Gosri na Pabiosi, Gini can border state. Or River, Amamo River can appear. Ipòb lose the election that place. The same South that is marketing Ipòb. Nkun that this thing is to destroy Ipòb. These people want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be useless. These people want to do this and do that. Skibo comedy Akwa Ibom, thank you. Skibo comedy ane kutezi oku Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Iye ha ne chenabo. Any day Mazi Mela appear to court. He will video Mazi Nnamdi Kanu palego. They use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for money making. That is it. That is why they don't know Katona Dimutena Ipòb question. He said all these people a very serious warning. Any of the Jimas Nnamdi Kanu were palego. Obu na Maria Gemonya, she said the Onya to Bodiji. The election have come and gone. After maybe Suleiman Namakan Kapia. Netik and Kapia. We don't have democracy. What we have is a bureaucracy. So Imablo na Mbemazina Gwagia, what did you say? You say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be disgraced internationally. They do you to the very useless. Very out. Okay, this idiot can block go there of my ear there. Osino na this man. Igwe, you are hereby blocked and sentenced to life imprisonment. Edo you to the very useless, including their Oba. Where is wounded civilian? Nekukoyenaji commit suicide. And then once a Ipòb make his statements now, if the whole Edo bloggers are mapped again, will you go? Or when you also just use it to make money, and they think they support you. They don't support you, they hate you. They hate you woto badly, with passion. That's why I'm funding a gem investment in Edo State. And I did not invest in Yoruba land, I invest in Edo State. You one no lele go ten kita, onye le kita go ten we entuko kanona bie. Irapa Igbo. Mewe investment Ifule Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, Abia. When make your investment, you will yield to go Edo State. Onye name investment in Edo no do no make investment na not to go full bop hana. The same problem, the same cause. All this Edo bingos when full here. Where is Nusares? He is now preaching to you people that obedient movement is not for Labour Party. It's not for. It's only for Ipòb. It's not for Labour Party. But when he say, when they shout LOP 75, LOP 76, OB 77. I ask you, INEC 700, INEC akunyonu nanya. How many Edo people protest for Ipòb? How many Edo people protest for Ipòb? How many Yoruba people protest for Ipòb? How many local government Labour Party win there? How many senators do Labour Party have in Edo State? Who do they vote? The same Edo youth, who do they vote in Edo? At least Labour Party win at their state to show say yes, these people support Labour Party. Governor of their state, the governor elect is from Labour Party. Dr. Alex Oti, another idiot. Labour Party. With even many senators. The same thing to Enugu. And when people win it. Man, Edo State, why they will one single party, a Labour Party win in any position in Edo State? That is to tell you how the youth of Edo stand. Why did Labour Party not win anything for Edo State? The same thing applicable to River State. Akwa Ibom. Go and check this just concluded election. The only places you will see Labour Party making waves are the Igbo land, because Igbo is stupid. You actually use Labour Party to overthrow Apoga or Chukwu Party. The person that is contesting from the Labour Party, where was he before? APC or PDP? Thank you, Karago. Labour Party won the entire Abia state, including the senator. But the Labour Party cannot win, not even House of Assembly in Edo State. And they tell me they follow you, they know you, they love you. They only come to use you to make money. Just say, your own don't finish.
All my Biafra people, I know they fight you now because I know, say yes, you people have been fighting for power for a very long time. But more I remember, don't forget, sometimes good things don't come easy. They take time sometimes. I know someone at the verse now because so many things don't happen for our land. Killing, different things, slaughtering. There is different things happen. Even a leader self, they arrest them. I know they fight you now, but see, remember, they say no good thing come from Nazareth, but now they're not king. Now the king of all kings for come. See, if Biafra is destined to come for your time, now it will come to pass. If not destiny, it will come to pass. Understand me so? But one thing is for sure, as far as we they born, and we they sing good song they follow our children. The battle, one day God will answer our prayer. Get this mindset. Stop it, they cause problem. Let Edo people, okay, fine now. Biafra never come. They don't fight like this. You don't say Edo people are useless. This one. Leave Peter Obi. Peter Obi na your brother. You understand me so? But if you say because he want to become president, okay, see, I will say Peter Obi win this fight battle now. Now, say they give him the power. Maybe by now, for the ask and say the next move we go do now to release that man for station. Who be DSS? We go run traffic. Edo people is one of the greatest people that fight the fight for Peter Obi without fear. Even tonight they are still fighting it. Do what you want to run. Therefore, I brought the rant to your man. So we say we'll pay visa now. We don't enter abroad also. But your man is there abroad. Come back and fight your father's land. Inside Biafra, inside the good people, there must be Judas and bad person there. Even yourself, there is still make money now. Do face like go to in lick salt. I'm sorry for you, Sha. See, if you are not spiritual, at least spiritual movement. Biafra and spiritual thing. Yes, no doubt. Now waiting there ordained. Even Mazin and Kanu show some prophecy and it come to pass. I respect that man. I will say that man don't get freedom of speech. You now say they block video. And for the one of the blog I will be saying, I go blog her without fear. Now know me already. But he pay me say, you say it's too bad for you. My brother, it's too bad for you. Why would they fight ourselves? Why would they fight yourself? They are making money, then you make money to Biafra. They start police this year when you talk say that they make money to all those things. My brother, see, don't ask question. Before they ever arrest me, Peter will be there for PDP. They never did sing song follow and then. Now after my arrest, they leave PDP, I'll be from arrest, I don't call you again. You understand? Oh God, see. We be movie train. See, many people there for the industry, but many are curfew are choosing. But by the grace of God, Biafra will come. And when Biafra will come, all the bad Biafra followers, the wicked or the witchcraft followers, they go die first before they go come. And I get blessed you there more.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.